everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. I hope you're all really well and having a really good week. It is Wednesday afternoon to be precise, and I've just received my Fabric Godmother dream wardrobe and I am really excited to show you what's inside. So I was settling down to do a bit of sewing this afternoon because it's my day off from work and we've had a really busy morning. Can I just firstly say, if you can hear that horrendous noise outside, I am so sorry. It's always the case when you've got some time to film that something is going off outside and I don't know what's going off. I live in a rural area, as most of you know, and it's literally 2 streets of houses where I live, surrounded by loads of fields, and somebody's got a generator or something digging up the road on the row of houses behind me. I don't know what's going off. I had my window open. This is the 3rd time that I have started filming this vlog and I've had to shut the window so that I can try and drown out most of it. So I'm really sorry if you can hear it, but I have to get this done now because that's the only time that I have. I'm really sorry. So anyway, let's crack on, shall we? Before we start, I will tell you what I am wearing because people always ask. This is not handmade. It is a ready-to-wear vest that I got from Vinted. It's by Zara. It was brand new and it was less than half the retail price. So it's really cute. I just love the sort of embroidery on it. I just think it's so pretty. And it's in like a double gauze, I think. So yeah, super pretty. I'm just wearing it with a ready-to-wear vest and a self-drafted skirt, which is a 2-tiered elasticated waist skirt in this lovely cotton, block print cotton lawn from Hey So Sister. So that's what I'm wearing today. I've also got my sapphire frills earrings in, which are super pretty, and yeah, it's quite nice, quite warm, a little bit overcast, but a bit warm and sticky today. Anyway, I will tell you what we have this month. You might remember, if you watched my unboxing last month, that I was a little bit disappointed with the fabric, just because as beautiful as it was, as good quality as it was, I just felt it was a little bit autumnal and not sort of summery, which is what I sort of expected. If you remember, it was a burgundy with a very thin blue pinstripe running through it, lovely cotton, and I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I am pleased to say that I did make that fabric up. I made it up into a pair of lane pants. Yes, another pair of lane pants, and I've worn them twice already. Actually, they are really nice to wear, so I'm really pleased that I did make that fabric up. What I tend to find with these types of subscription boxes is if you get a fabric that you're not really sure about, if you don't make it up very quickly, you'll end up just either stashing it or destashing it, and it's a real shame. So I always think with something like that, if it's something that I'm really not sure about, I think just get it made up now, make it up straight away, and then you'll probably find that you'll really like it. And yeah, it was a really successful project. So I love my new lane pants and they will work for me, I think, moving right through into autumn. So anyway, that was my dream wardrobe for last month. For July, I have already opened it because I couldn't wait, I'm afraid, and because I filmed this 3 times already, I opened it on my first film, but then all this racket was going off, so I had to abandon it. So I'm really sorry. I have seen what's inside, but I do love it. So I'll talk you through what we've got this month. So first things first, when you open the box, you get your little QR code, which takes you to the newsletter for this month's dream wardrobe, and also all the sewing notes and a link to the instructions for the pattern that's included with your dream wardrobe. Now, the pattern that's included this month, I do already have, I have to say. It seems to be a bit of a theme this month because I had the same with my So Confident subscription box as well. That pattern I've already got, so it's just one of those things. So this month we've got a A0 copy shop printout, and the pattern is the Ruffle Brunch set by Matchy Patterns. So this set came out probably last year, I think, and I have bought it. I know that I've got it on PDF already. So to be honest, it's absolutely fine because I don't think I've actually got it printed out. So now I have the printout, and I do believe that Fabric Godmother don't have an agreement with indie designers to actually give you access to the PDF copy for some of them. So with me having the PDF copy and now I've got the printout, it's actually not too much of an issue for me. So I've got the printout. Now what this is it's basically like a loungewear set come pajamas, I guess, and you get a little ruffly top with a tie front detail, and you get the option of shorts or longer length cropped trousers with a little ruffle around the hem of both. It's a really cute pattern. It comes in the UK sizes 6 to 30. In the UK at the minute we're experiencing really lovely summer. It's just so lovely after the last few summers we've had that have been a bit of a write-off, let me just say that. So what they say is everyone needs a lightweight throw-on set that you can just waft around in where the weather is too much or lounge around when you want to relax in the evening. Everyone needs a versatile co-ord set that you can mix and match or wear as a set, introducing the matchy ruffle brunch set. And I actually think that's a really nice idea. This kind of set for me, I think is perfect. You know, say if you've had a really busy day and you're all hot and sticky and you want to get a shower or a bath and then throw something on, but not quite your pajamas, I think this is perfect for that kind of vibe. So that's the pattern. Now, the fabric that you get this month, when I first opened my box, my first thoughts were that it was a cotton jersey. And I was a little bit disappointed because I don't tend to sew stretch fabrics very often. I tend to prefer my wovens, but actually it's not. It's not cotton jersey at all. It is a viscose lawn, and it is part of their Dolce Vita collection. So it's not a fabric that is released yet. The Dolce Vita collection for Fabric Godmother, I think, is their sort of summer collection that was released last month, and there's a few different fabrics within that. I think there is a couple of viscose linens, one that I've already got that I'm going to use as a co-ord set at some point when I get around to it, and I think one of the others has got like sardines on, which I thought was gorgeous. There's one with pasta shapes on. I think all that is the Dolce Vita collection. This one is coming out very soon, but we are getting first dibs in the dream wardrobe, which is just amazing. So this is a viscose lawn. They have said that it was too special to release, and they have saved it for the dream wardrobe so that subscribers can receive it before anybody else. So the fabric is this. It is really lovely. It's a pale blue with all sorts of different images all over it. It's a beautiful quality, really nice, sort of, I would say, fairly medium weight viscose lawn. And on the fabric itself, we've got all sorts. So we have, I think is it directional? I'm not sure if it is directional, but we've got all sorts on here. So we've got lemons, we've got birds, we have ice creams. I can see I've found lobsters and cake, and we've got some words as well. Ciao and salute, is it? And Dolce Vita is on there. There's all sorts. It's really nice. So I think there is about 2.6 meters, I think. I'm not quite sure. It might actually be more looking at this. It might be about 3 meters, which is really nice quantity, and plenty there to make either the shorts version of this set or the longer version as well. I think I would probably make the shorts version. Yeah, I think that's probably what I will make. So that's the fabric, which is really lovely. They also give you ideas for alternative patterns should you not wish to make this pattern out of this fabric. Any patterns such as dresses, blouses, that kind of thing that are going to work with viscose will work for this fabric, which is really lovely. And then the little gift this month is a thread stand. So this is it here. It's by a little independent business called Thread Pegs. So this has been specially made for the dream wardrobe. Thread Pegs is handmade by Laura in her workshop located on a farm outside Falmouth, which is in the south of England. She makes everything herself using quality materials to craft sewing tools and storage boards. We asked her to make these custom size 9 peg bobbin holders that are perfect for your sewing table. We love a functional gift, and we also love her motto, made for sewists by a sewist. Isn't that really lovely? It feels really weighty, so it's really good quality, and I think this will work quite nicely, you know, if you're having to use a few different threads for a project. So you can put your thread on here and then your bobbin on as well, which is great. So that's a really nice, lovely little unique gift. So that's it. We have the A0 printout of the Ruffle Brunch set by Matchy Matchy. We have the gorgeous viscose lawn, which is going to be available for everybody to buy in a couple of weeks' time. We've got our matching thread, matching Gutterman thread, and our lovely little sewing gift. That's my dream wardrobe this month. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm going to go get this pre-washed now and hung on the line while it's nice and I can get it dry, and then I'm going to be doing a bit of sewing this afternoon, which I am really looking forward to. As I say, I've had a really busy morning this morning and came back. We had to go out and do a little bit of shopping, came back and had a bit of a nana nap, which was very much needed in this heat. So now I feel a little bit refreshed and I've got my second wind for the afternoon. I'm going to do a bit of sewing. So I'm hoping to be back with you later on this week to chat to you about what I've been sewing this week. I have already made one project, which is really exciting, and I'm on with my second one, which is another project that was in my July plans. So I'll chat to you more about that later this week, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.